99% fail this ultimate Titanic timeline quiz. When did the RMS Titanic sink? On what date did the Titanic depart Southampton for its maiden voyage? On what date did the Titanic strike the iceberg? At what time of day did the Titanic collide with the iceberg? On what date did the Titanic finally slip completely beneath the waves? At what exact time did the Titanic fully sink? When were the Titanic's sea trials completed? When was the wreck of the Titanic finally discovered? When did the rescue ship RMS Carpathia arrive on the scene? When did the last living survivor of the Titanic pass away? When did the RMS Carpathia arrive in New York with the Titanic's survivors? When was the first lifeboat lowered into the water? When did the Titanic's band famously stop playing? When did Captain Smith give the order to awaken passengers and abandon ship? When were the first wireless distress calls sent out from the Titanic? When did the Titanic's lights finally go out? When did the Titanic break in half? When did the Titanic stop at Cherbourg, France to pick up more passengers? When did the Titanic make its final port of call in Queenstown, now Cove, Ireland? When was the Titanic originally scheduled to arrive in New York? When did construction on the Titanic begin? When was the Titanic officially launched into the water before fitting out? When did Lookout Frederick Fleet first spot the iceberg? When did other ships, including the Californian, send ice warnings to the Titanic? When did the radio operator of the nearby SS Californian go to sleep, missing the distress calls? When did the United States Senate begin its official inquiry into the disaster? When did the British formal investigation into the disaster begin? When did the rescue ship Carpathia pick up the very first lifeboat? When did the Carpathia finish rescuing the last survivors from the lifeboats? When did the Titanic's sister ship, the HMHS Britannic, sink? When did the Titanic's older sister ship, the RMS Olympic, make her maiden voyage? When did the Titanic's forward funnel collapse into the water? When did the wireless operators switch from sending the traditional CQD to the new SOS signal? When was the last lifeboat, Collapsible D, successfully launched from the Titanic? When did the freezing ocean water finally reach the Titanic's boat deck? When did the nearby SS Californian finally realize the Titanic had sunk? When did the Titanic's crew begin firing distress rockets into the night sky? When did passengers first start noticing the ship was noticeably tilting forward? When did the Titanic's stern settle back into the water before finally sinking? When was the order given to uncover the Titanic's lifeboats?